The reason why you keep blowing your trading accounts. What's up guys, it's your man Tricky T and I'm an artist currently trading Forex to fund my music, and the goal for this year is $100,000. Come with me on this journey. If you're new here, please like, comment, subscribe. It does a lot for the channel. Thank you. Now, I've been trading Forex for a few months now and I've been learning. And in that period of time, I have blown a couple of accounts, right? But right now, I've learned something that has stopped me from blowing accounts. At least for the last couple of months, I have not blown any accounts, right? And that is proper leveraging of your accounts. That is understanding how to use the right lot sizes for your accounts. Guys, this is like night and day. This is the one thing that would really help you as a trader. Because one thing I know is no matter how good you are as a trader, you always take wrong trades. You always take losing trades. Losing trades are part of Forex, right? Every guru out there will tell you that they lose trades, okay? So now let's say you have a $100 account, right? And then you are risking $10 on every trade. I'll come again. So you have $100. My advice is you do not risk more than $10 on every trade, meaning that anytime you're going to trade, once you lose $10, you are going to leave that trade. Do you understand now? So that means that on your $100 account, for you to blow that account, you have to lose 10 consecutive times back to back before you blow that account. You now understand it. Now, if your winning ratio is even 50-50, meaning that if you take 10 trades, you lose 5 times and you win 5 times, at the end of the day, you will still be profitable because you can actually lose and not blow your account. The problem with a lot of us traders is that we leverage so much, and then when we lose too much, and then we blow the account and we start looking for money to fund and go in all over again. Now, once you are able to master this, it takes a lot of discipline. But once you're able to master this, trust me, you no longer blow accounts. You just only take losses and then you can bounce back from your losses. That's the secret. Do not over leverage your account. Leverage your account properly, use the right risk management, and trust me, you will no longer blow accounts. It's like magic. It is like magic. If you have $1,000 and you're trading $1,000, do not risk more than like that is you're over leveraging. Don't risk more than $100 on a trade. And with that formula, you can trade your account and take losses a couple of times and you still be trading, right? And then when you finally make profits, you make back your losses and then continue. Anyway, that's it. I hope you found some value from this video. If you're new here, please like, comment, subscribe, and share the video. And also tell me what are the reasons why you lose money while trading, or rather, what are the reasons why you blow your accounts while trading. With this, you will no longer blow your accounts. Trust me. See you in the next video. Peace.